We're live, guys. We're live, everyone. Good morning. How are you today? How's it going, everyone? Welcome, chat. Good evening. Let's go for it. Welcome, chat. Welcome, guys. Pretty excited for the FOMC day, even though we have a huge chance for the rate cut. But I'm still exciting for my crypto space, guys. I'm still exciting for life as usual. Let's just go ahead and share this video with all the community members, pretty much everywhere. Let's go, guys, in all the trading groups that we are participating. $125,000 for the giveaway, guys. We have a giveaway sign-up link. I just posted on my Discord, and I'm gonna post it here. We have a giveaway sign-up link. From now, every day, you have to sign up for the giveaway. Right there. What you gotta do is pretty much simple. The sign up is valid for all the giveaways of the day. Right, so this is basically for the 29th. Email verification, you will receive a code on your email. So you must use a valid email. And then your YouTube username needs to be right there. And then you click join now and that's it, right? That's it, guys. That's it, guys. At the end, you must be on the list. Your username, your YouTube username must be on the list. We're going to verify the first winner. It has to be on the list. If it's not, we're going to take the second ranked, the third ranked, and so on the dock race till we find someone that registered to our giveaways. Once again, this is valid for all the giveaways of the day. Tomorrow, we have a new link for tomorrow's giveaways. And you'll have to do this to participate, guys. Right, this is to avoid the bots. We're gonna trade our no Ticktick trader yet. It's not live, but we're waiting for Ticktick trader to be moved on live. I think it's gonna happen these days with Ticktick trader. We're finally going to be adopted. We're 99% adopted. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We're still doing the wheel. We're still doing the dock race. But we want to make sure that we only have real persons winning. So we're trying to filter this. No multiple signups. You're not going to be allowed. Valid email. There you go. If you want to participate in the giveaways, feel free to do it. Cheers, everyone. Wow. So we're trading our Lucid. We're trading our top one, and we're waiting for Ticktick Trader to be onboarding us on live. We're still having our 5 accounts here. We actually got paid 30 grand. And we've got $12,000 for live. Let me move my... This layout is much better, guys. Oh, much, much better. This layout is absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful layout. You know, I care about this level Ho ho ho. The 50s. Conjunction. Daily VWAP. Pivot point on the horizontal structure, guys. Now, we're not selling the emails. We're not selling the emails. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's go. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We have a lot to do, and we're ready to fly. Yeah, I know. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Right, I'm gonna paste this one once again here on Discord. We are trading we already have 15 guys that have joined. 15. Some of you do not have the correct, or might be correct, but careful, guys. Your YouTube username is visible from the chat. I need exactly the same username from the chat. That's your username. So just write us a comment on chat and you discover your username. It has to be exact the same, guys. Because you gotta be on the list. Yep. Yes, you are right here. I can see you, Maddie. Maddie. Yeah, verification email comes in around maybe 1 minute or something like that. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. So I'm gonna paste this message from time to time. You have to sign up for the giveaway right there. Because this is new, guys. Until you get used to it, I'm gonna paste this message in the chat from time to time. That's the sign up link for all the giveaways we have today. We actually have 3 of them. Happy to trade our Lucid accounts, our Top 1 futures, and I'm happy to trade my Ticktick Trader live accounts as well. I mean, one live account when it's gonna be ready, which I'm assuming it's gonna happen quite soon. Let's not forget our Discord community to participate, and huge discounts. You know, I bet we're gonna have 40, 50, 60 people on the list sign up. I don't think we're gonna reach to 100 people on the list. Right, so we might reach in the situation having a winner on the duck race. And then you might have the first couple of guys not joining the giveaway from there. Right? You already have 25 guys that have joined. You guys will be able to see this because I'm gonna, verify the winner at the end in front of you. You can definitely win. Thank you, Oliver. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. You're doing an amazing job. Exactly. The code is scrambled pretty much everywhere. You got the links. Lucid Trading, Ticktick Trader, whatever. You know what I've got for Lucid? Let me share with you guys. Look at this, what I got for Lucid for today. Have a look at that one. Hey, look at this. Look at his 5 boys. 50k test accounts, challenges. Come on, it's a pretty much juicy day to pass some challenges, right? It is a nice juicy day to pass some challenges, right? Thank you guys. Yep. So we're waiting to be onboarded for the Ticktick Trader live. I got notified. Could take up to 24 to 48 hours more. So I'm still expecting this month to be ready, guys. Still expecting that. So then we can finally start trading on our Ticktick Trader live. It's going to be the first live account. Expecting about 12 grand. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. It's the biggest discount right now on the Lucid test. Let me see what's Lucid 150k test. Biggest discount, it's 210. 210 basically. You know, I filmed today, guys, a video. It was 35 minutes long. I filmed the video right before the stream. 35 minutes long. With all the informations about the payouts. We even did comparison, and we had some amazing inputs right there. And then out of this 35 minutes, 17 minutes during the recording, my microphone was not working. So I had to delete the whole thing. It was a nightmare, I'm telling you. You know what's the beauty behind this? The 150k 210. That you get big money at the payout. The Lucid Pro, which is the funded version of your Lucid test. Lucid Pro. Hmm. 4,600 buffer, 3,000 above that, which is how much you want to take out. 157,600. You're taking out 3,000. 157,600. Fantastic, guys. Micro mini contracts you will get available on Ticktick Trader live account. I don't know yet. I still have to wait my final decision with all the instructions and credentials. So when I get my credentials, I will be able to... No, exactly. Yeah, I mean, daily loss limit is there to protect the company. Yeah. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We're still doing the wheel, we're still doing the duck race. But the winners of the duck race, their username must be on the list. Right? So we're taking them one by one. You gotta be on the list. If you're not on the list, you can't get the prize. I also think between 1 to 3 minis. Exactly. I don't need more, guys. I'm happy with that. I don't need more. I'm fine with 3 minis on live. I think I'm not gonna do 10 minis on live, of course. Of course not. I'll have to learn to trade on 3 minis. 35 guys have joined so far on the giveaway. 35. Once again, for those of you that have joined fresh, here's the link in the chat. It's pretty simple. This is your email verification. You'll receive a code on your email. And then let us know your username, which you can discover by commenting on our live chat. Join now and that's it. This is going to be daily. I got this blue line here, guys. Do you think we're going to touch this? Because I'm going to long 245, 240. I'm going to long 246, 245. Pretty excited about our 3 Lucid accounts that have 2 amazing days. Pretty excited about that one. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Yep. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciated. Yeah, daily loss limit helps, guys. Do you really want to see how does the daily loss limit helps? Let me show you right now. Let me show you right now the importance of daily loss limit. Look at this page, guys. Look at this page for a minute. I want you to look at this page. These are my accounts on Tap 1 Futures. So look at this page. Our daily loss is at $1,000. My target was set on $500. With a daily loss on 1,000, do I have the chance to blow up my account? No. Blow up my account by being tilted, over trading, and many other type of mistakes people do. I don't have access to those mistakes because I've limited. I've limited my accessibility to the mistakes. Think about it. You can do the same. And you're doing the same with a daily loss limit. Limiting your access to the mistakes. Do you guys feel frustrated, angry, aiming to revenge whenever you have a unexpected loss or a loss that you think you don't desire? How do you feel? You feel hitting the markets with twice as more risk. So that's a model which will not work. It's not working. And on the long run, it goes to total liquidation, bankruptcy. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm suggesting you guys. I had a time when I didn't want to accept the need of a daily loss limit, which is controllable. I didn't want it to accept. Do you know why? Because I got to payouts without having a daily loss. And that's like a poison. It's a poison. That's a fruit you don't want to taste. It's a fruit you don't want to taste. And of course, the discussion is also having... Oh, look at that. Did we just touched? Let me set up my limit orders. 46, 45. And 44 as well. 9 minis ready to long the markets. I like to see The hard breach formula is avoidable by using a stop loss prior to that. So they give you the chance to transform your hard breach into a soft breach. If that is still possible, I wouldn't see a problem behind that. As long as the value, the dollar value is comfortable, it doesn't matter. The hard breach is, you know, $500 away. If I can still be 99.9% sure it's not going to be touched, because I'm putting my daily loss on 1,500 when my hard breach of daily loss set by the company is at 2,000. It's their problem. It's no longer my problem. Beautiful. So keep in mind with the FOMC, are we going to get front run today like it happened yesterday? Yeah, the speech is very important, but everyone is expecting right now from Powell to be totally dovish. Not only today, but also in the next and the last meeting of the year, which will happen in December, to see another 25 basis points. Right, so this is the expected to see. The markets will start pricing this whole thing, and if it's something else, it's going to be a disaster. Right, so that's my only wish. Not to have anything else or any sign of hawkishness or anything like that. No. Keep it dovish and do not kill us. We are 45 on the list. 45 right now. They got themselves confirmed. Price action will dump today. Well, I think you know what's going to be today, guys, in the stock. This. Like a revenge model of trading here. Market is going to revenge on us. Erratic. Really nervous. This one. So at this place, all the guys that are longing will get hit pretty hard with liquidations. At this place, all the guys that are shorting will get hard with liquidations. End of the story. It's gonna destroy a lot of the people. So days like this are the most valuable for the prop firms. You know why? Because tomorrow, it's gonna be Friday, or what is it tomorrow? No, tomorrow is just Thursday. Thursday, tomorrow, and then Friday, plus next week, which is also fresh month, tons of accounts will be bought. And I'm telling you, on days like this, if you have the balls, it is the moment to pass some challenges, right? It's the moment to pass some challenges, guys. Think about your Lucid possibility. $74 for a challenge on the 50K. Let me drop you the link, guys. We didn't have this orders touched yet. Here's the link for the Lucid. Coupon code SCRAMBLE. Highest discount
Order
available.
filled.
6 contracts have been filled. 9 contracts have been filled. I'm not going to show you anything around. Just bear with me for a moment. Bring it up, baby. Stop loss on break even. Can't set the stop loss yet. I like to see the price section moving above 52, 53. I'd love to get there. Come on, 51. No stop loss for the moment. This should have a little more strength. Let me put it this way. In case it spikes, let me not be stupid and not take the whole pie. I'm selling
Order
3
filled.
contracts, 3
Order
more,
filled.
and I'm leaving the rest open. We got $600 secured. This is trading masterclass. I hope you guys got into that trade as well with me. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, like the video and join our giveaways by signing up on the link. We got a beautiful day. And we have to work for our targets relentlessly. $600 confirmed here, in case the market wants to do another wick. I'm gonna obviously... No, let me just take my order away from there. And have a little deeper limit order entry. A little lower, like 42, one contract. 43, one contract. Right? In case we just wick below the previous wick and the market is going for the stop losses existent there, I'm gonna be right there filling up my positions, adding extra spiciness. Good job, guys. Good job. I told you about this level. So the 5-minute obviously has a room here nicely for engulfing that 53, going all the way back. You know, the 5-minute here, you could say this is a level, 270s, and then you can definitely go the golden pocket, right? The golden pocket is sitting on 75, 76. Right? So we're leaving the whole thing open for 64. And let us make some good money, guys, on Lucid. No more limit orders needed. And of course, we're gonna go the break-even discussion right there. Let's just go and print some money, guys. Together, we are making it. Totally functional. My target is on 64, which is right below this thing. And this is a pivot point here. Definitely feasible, right? Definitely doable, guys. Come on. Let's go, Lucid. It's demo, right? Keep going. Let's go. So, the Lucid test today, guys. The Lucid test today is going to be a massive journey. Because $75, no activation, a lot of volatility, 6% you get funded. These are the days where if you want to go for pass in as little as 1 day, it's possible. You get the volatility from the markets, you get the volatility from the environment. Market is still nicely reacting on that. Let's go, guys. This is really doable. Make sure to like the video. Join our Discord. Join the giveaway too. Let me verify. Come on, guys. Come on. $46 guys join on the giveaway. Couple of more points. I'm selling a
Order
contract
filled.
here.
Order filled.
One more contract. So I sold. And I'm leaving the rest one open. 1,200 secured. With 300 more there. That's going to be a beautiful day, guys. It's going to be $1,500 profit on 3 accounts, 4,500 totally, but that's going to be a huge one. I could actually even increase this target here a little more. Yeah, we're trailing right below the wick of the current candle. This is Trading Masterclass with an entry which has been shown on the stream, explained to you. I hope you guys traded. Trailing a little higher. Thank you, buddy.
Order
Appreciate
filled.
it. And it has been touched. 1,588. Finally confirmed. Celebration time. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And the fireworks bust. Boom. Wow. We got you. Look at our performance. Brand new accounts. Fresh accounts. This is what we got. This is what we got here. Unbelievable, guys. 3 days like this. Confirmed. 2 more. And I'm going for $9,000 pal. Because it's 3,000 on each. And we're receiving 100% of our pals. There's nothing better than Lucid trading. Come on. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Code Scramble, highest discount available. Boom. Lucid Test Challenges 74. I'm trading Lucid Direct 504. You get a $6,000 end of the day drawdown. Huge daily loss. 5 maximum accounts. 5 times 3K cash out is 15,000 in a round. 15K in a round. 6 payouts to be moved on live is the limit. That's 90 grand. Minus the profit split, which is gonna be you're gonna be upgraded to the profit split once you cross $10,000 in payouts. 90 to 10, right? So 80 grand out of 90 is gonna be under a split, and that means 8 grand out. So you're gonna receive $82,000. Ho 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 ho! But let me tell you something crazy. Frequently asked questions. Lucid Test. Lucid Direct payouts. Look at this. You know what's the profit for the second payout? 3%. It's $4,500. The first payout is 6%, which is the industry standards. For a prop firm that pays you in 15 minutes, has all the platforms, delivers support, reliable, trust, all that stuff. You cannot expect to receive a payout after 3-4%. It's not sustainable. We need trading environments where we as traders become better and perform instead of requesting from the prop firms to be a shithole and allow us to make money by being poor traders. Let's change things a little around, because that's not going to work on a live environment. That's not going to work on a personal fund, guys. Let's switch things around and look at our performers way more than at what does the prop firm is kind of. It's not the prop firm that needs to make money for you. It's you are the guy that needs to make money. So that's why Lucid is advancing so quickly, because it's, straightforward. 3% on the second cycle. You're driving me crazy with a 3% target. 4,500. That's insane. Like literally, that's the easiest out there. We're giving away 50K 50K. So let me tell you what we're giving away today. Yeah. You know, because why I'm saying this, guys, is it's too many people expect that the prop firm, for some reason, should be a charity business. And somehow they should make money for you. No, you need a level of trading. You need a level of efforts, skills, discipline, emotional control, risk management, all these things that you are going to reach, guys. All of you will reach to the profitable level at some point. You might not like this with the some point. What does it mean at some point? It might be 2 years. If that's the price you gotta pay, 2 years of being in negative for the rest of the 20, 30, or 10 years of being profitable, I'm telling you from now, it's gonna be worth it. The moment you start being profitable is the moment you realize is that does not matter for how long you've been sitting under the water. It doesn't matter anymore for how long you've been sitting under the water. Correct. Let's not forget that trading is allowing you to shape your own life in your own skills and capabilities. So, if today your P&L is not as you would love to see it, don't worry about it. You're just in the process somewhere of making it better. And it's also down to you to make it better, but it's also up to you to give up. You want to decide between the two. And the only two choices, which are totally in your hands. None of us got to be profitable from the first morning. None of us, guys. We were all at some point in the process of becoming profitable. At some point, we were all like that. I'm not going to force it here anymore. I'm going to lock myself out all day. Where did we push, guys? We pushed exactly into this level. And we got rejected by the pivot. Now, if we get it around 46, 47, 48, the same level, I'm going to re-enter. So, mentioning this one thing once again, guys, none of us were profitable from the first week, from the first month, and a lot of us from the first year. None of us were like that. We're all in a process of becoming much better, as long as we assume there is a process. We have a positive outcome right in front of us. We just gotta go for it, guys. I'm gonna trade Lucid test today, yes. It's very tough because it's against the nature, it's against the human nature, which is why traders and people lose money. Trading requires you to be against your wild human nature. Your wild human nature, frustration, a non-rational feeling makes you to trade in whatever way. Being pumped up, overhyped, makes you overtrade. So let me get back to your questions, guys. I see we have a lot of the things here. Once again, you got to sign up for the giveaway. This link is for today's giveaways. Very simple. I'm going to get back to your question soon. Email, username. Username exactly like it is on your YouTube. To discover it, comment on our chat and you'll see your username. Let me get back to your question. So, what accounts do we give out today? We give out today Ticktick Trader, straight to funded, Tap on Futures, straight to funded, and Lucid account, test account. We're gonna do Lucid funded account giveaways as well. And I'm preparing for you guys. You know what I'm preparing? Let me be honest with you. You know which one I'm preparing? It's not gonna be today. Where is Lucid? Let me share with you on their official page. What kind of giveaway do I prepare for you? So Lucid Direct Instant Funding, okay, this one. This one, I'm preparing this for you guys. This giveaway. This is going to be shared in a giveaway. Not today, but at some point I'll announce it. $500. This one, 150k direct account. This is going to be on a giveaway. It's a promise. Just like the promise, the first payout we take from the live account on Ticktick Trader once the onboarding process is full, the first payout I'm taking, 100% of the value is shared completely in our community in cash format through giveaways. Two big promises. The 150k direct account and a Ticktick Trader, which is an amazing company, by the way. To be able to trade instant funding without consistency is just wild. 51 guys have joined so far. So let me verify your questions once again. I've missed something. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We are feeling pumped up. I got my green tea driving me wild. This is already the 4th for today. I'm in Hungary, so I'm in a different time zone, center of Europe, in the capital city, drinking my 4th green tea. I'm usually drinking around 1 liter, 1.2 liters a day. But as we advance towards afternoon, I'm gonna make them tighter and of course less quantity of but this is like if you search on Google for the level of caffeine, the tea form of caffeine, if you search, it's like 1.5 espresso or like 2 cappuccinos or something like that. And for someone that's a trader, he's doing sports and it's enthusiastic about life, this is needed, guys. I'm in Europe, exactly. So let me get back to your questions, chat. What we have here. How much you can make per day in the Savius funded accounts based on the 20% consistency. Which account? Which one exactly? Like the 150k? Your target is at 7,500. You divide your target to 5. Whatever is your target for Savius, divided by 5, and you see how much you should maximum make in a day to remain with that target, because that's going to be the 20%, right? So if it's 7,500, which for Savius is on the 150k, then 7,500 divided to 5 is 1,500. You shouldn't cross 1,500 if you want to get paid at 7,500. I've locked myself out from here, and I'm going to connect the other accounts too. We talked a lot today, and I didn't really pay attention that much on my trading. I think this... Is it going to go down here? Or is it sufficient powerful to reverse this? I'm not trusting it for the moment. Let me just not trade this. Get back to your question. So, good job, Sebastian. We see a lot of the great people here. Puckboy, Revenge Traded. Blew several accounts. You know what you gotta do when you get a big hit and you see the outcome mentally is powerful? Stop trading for the day. Stop trading for a day. Because even if you revenge buy, trade, and bring your accounts to success in a revenge mode, your next 20 situations like that will certainly represent a negative financial balance for you. It's like the worst thing that can happen to you is to win in your first day at the casino. That's the worst thing that can happen to you. And a lot of the people said that. The best thing that can happen to you is not to go there. And if you go there, you need to know that you have a chance of losing of 99.9%. And you have to accept that before entering. And if you lose, it's much better than winning in the first day. A lot of the people that actually won in the first day, and I've been reading a research about it, thought that it's so easy to make money. It was their first contact with the gambling world. And they felt that high level of enthusiasm when you do something for the first time. Plus, that activity is mentally oriented and psychologically oriented big time. So they, on top of that, actually won a lot of money. Ho, that's a combination. You not only give back all the things that you managed to win, you actually, on the next 5 to 10 years, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times more than they paid you on the first day. Because you're still looking forward having those days coming back. And it never comes back. Or it comes back so rarely that you pretty much remain naked. So, what else do we have here, guys? A lot of the chat going on. Thank you guys so much for watching, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Come on. I didn't want it too long earlier because of this. Right? Because of a double bottom risk. Let me set up my copy trading for... Let's go. We're all set up for the copy trader. For the other accounts, on which yesterday we lost. Let me honestly and transparently show you that I had a bad day yesterday on these two accounts and Lucid 150k, and we've lost. But today we're gonna come back way better. 2,200 is my drawdown, that it's still intact. So I'm waiting. It's the best thing you can do right now. Let me see your other questions. You're still in a long. Savius does require you 10 days, correct? Email verification not working. You should check your spam. Email verification should work really well. You should wait for maybe 2 or 3 minutes till the code is sent. But we have right now, let me tell you, Lucid allows news trading. Yes, they allow DCA, they allow flipping, they allow these things without problems. 8 months to pass your first eval. 61 people joined so far. Fellas. So that's the real competition, guys. Yeah, the code might take 3 minutes or, something like that. But don't worry about it. We have enough time. There is still enough time till we start our... 61 fellas joined the giveaway. This is the real competition. The giveaway is going to happen after the New York opening at any point. At any point. Depends how do we advance with the trading. Good job. Don't forget about joining our Discord, guys. You gotta be part. Yes, Lucid payouts out with Rice. I think today Bitcoin is going to be bullish. You know what I'm believing, guys? You might blink for a day and Bitcoin is at 130 grand. Then you might blink for the next day and Bitcoin is sitting on a 150, of course. And then you might blink for the third time and Bitcoin is down to 70,000. Let's have a look into Bitcoin CMA's chart. Like weekly chart from the CMA. The 76 gap has been filled. This one has been filled up at that time. We also have a gap to this week. We established a gap here, but we might first push and then come back. So push and then come back. And 130 is not even a big target. I think we're gonna quickly pass through that. 18-20% from here. It's nothing, guys. 20%. It's not a percentage to be scared about, right? And then the Ethereum CMA chart is my boy. No, Ethereum is weak. Let me just get back to my Nasdaq, which is not making me that nervous. 61 guys have joined so far. So if you're not getting a confirmation, an email verification within the first 5 minutes or so, just click to receive a new code and verify your spam as well. We have 67 people that have joined. It takes time, guys. It takes time. 67 people join. $541, $555. I want to connect those accounts. We still have the old Ignite accounts, the first version. This rejection here might be dangerous. 20 minutes to go when the market opens. Good morning, everyone. Thank you once again for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Savius requires 10 days. I still want to trade my Savius, because yesterday, what was it? I think yesterday we made money as well there. Yesterday I think was the second day on us. Yeah, yesterday was the second day on Savius, where we made max profit as well. We're pretty close for another round of payout. Just crazy, guys. Like, we made 3,000 and we got to do 7,500. 4,500 more will be needed. 3 more days like that and we're good to go. We're just going to flip the rest of the days with $3 and so, and we're going to take it out. So, yeah, I'll make a live video about the Lucid Live. I'll make a video about that one too. Yeah. But this is crazy, guys. If I take this thing to the pound, imagine how crazy is this. You know, we have a lot of days here on profit, indeed. But this is just October. If I go right now to September, which is also something we traded. Like, so we've traded this accounts since 11th of September. And I think, you know, they had a $2,000 drawdown.
They had a $2,000 drawdown. Yeah, I do remember right now. $2,000 max drawdown with a 1,000 max daily loss. And we traded so many days without getting burned. So it looks like even $2,000 max drawdown is enough. I'd love to make some money today here, my $500 target. I would love to hit that. I don't know if I can do it. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Join our Discord, but at the same time, let me share with you the link. Thank you, guys. Like the video. That's the package. Use the coupon code SCRAMBLE if you wish. If you think the scouts are helping, feel free to do it. So, you got to sign up for the giveaways. Pretty simple, right? Email verification and YouTube username, which is discoverable by commenting in our live chat. And then you join now. Waiting for Ticktick Trader to move us on live. And we're waiting already for 10 days or 2 weeks, something like that. But I hope this week is gonna be finalized. I've been told about 24 to 48 hours more and I'll get my credentials with all the conditions and stuff, right? So I think I'm gonna be pretty happy on that. Let's see how many of you have joined. New Jersey, good morning. Yeah, thank you. We're still doing the wheel, we're still doing the dock race. But you, on the dock race as a winner, you gotta be on this list. If you're not on this list, you're not gonna receive the prize. We're gonna take the next ranked person. So the good part about the giveaways right now, let me tell you something. Even if you're ranked 6 on the dock race, you can still receive the prize. Because the next, or the first 5 in front of you, might not be on the list. We're 75 people on the list right now. I don't know. You shouldn't receive. Hey, morning out there. Beautiful time. Looks like this wants to go a little higher, so...
Order filled.
I'm testing here on my old Ignite accounts. But you know, this is a dangerous situation because I'm hoping for a momentum here. Which is why I'm going to be pretty tight on my stop loss, guys. I got no choice. If this thing reverses here... If this thing reverses here, I just want to be out.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm fine by being out. We're trading today Tap 1 futures or Lucid accounts, including Lucid Test. We're going to trade today. Lucid Test. The 50K Lucid Test. You know, these days that are heavy on volatility, I like to do some nice challenge trading. Yes, you can win. If you arrive 10th, you can win. If those guys in front of you did not sign up. Thank you guys for joining our live stream. Appreciate it. What a lovely day. What a lovely time we've got out here. Make sure to join our... Let me see. Let me see if you're on the list. $83 guys have signed up so far. I'm verifying if you're on the list right now. Ticktick Trader, by the way, is running the biggest discounts and 55%. It's something wild. Tap on futures, I mean, not Ticktick. Tap on futures. If I said Ticktick, I'm sorry. But that was Tap on futures, which is running the 55% right now, and that's just insane. You enter the giveaways, guys, by signing up. You have to sign up the giveaway with your email and your YouTube username. Just that's the link to sign up, guys. You're not on the list. Pivx Trex, you're not on the list. So let me think about. If I would have had to start from scratch and decide on a single account, well, if I would be a beginner, I wouldn't throw money. If I would trade for the first time, or my first week, or my first month, I wouldn't throw money on instant funded, guys. I would just buy Lucid Trading, the test account, 50k. Until I see things moving, right? Lucid 50k, test 74 bucks. Simple, straightforward, really good. I'm not gonna say for practicing, but for an entry level. I wouldn't throw for Trader Max. You should be able to trade different sizes. Yes, you should be able. They did not mention you cannot trade, but you know, some companies will not allow you, so I have to verify that one, Trade Max. I have to verify, but you know, I have to verify. If you guys have submitted everything correctly and you got the final message, you're on the list for sure. You're on the list for sure if you guys submitted everything correctly. I didn't got my live account with Ticktick Trader yet. I'm expecting to be ready in 48 hours around that one. I don't know if it has to be the same size. You know, that's what I said. We gotta verify that. You got stopped here, right? I didn't get into a long there. Good job, guys. So, this is today's giveaways link. You cannot double sign up. You can't double sign up. Destiny, you can't double sign up. Right? So you from the same IP, you cannot double sign up. You can only sign up tomorrow in the next day, because each day we're going to have this to participate in the giveaways of the day. You'll have to do this. PVAX, I did test it with without that one. Without an ad, I did test your name. It wasn't there. This could be an interesting entry point. But the 5 minute here is not looking good, guys. And we have 4 minutes to go till the market opens. I'm not going to trade a live account today, but hopefully in 48 hours I will be able to trade. You have to be on the stream, yes. You know, I'm very happy, guys, that we have $94. Yes, we still do the wheel and the duck race. But at the end of the duck race, you gotta be your YouTube username, your winner name has to be here. We are still 94 guys out here. Yesterday I slept at 2 a.m. to fix this thing with a live stream giveaway. I've been working on this, guys, for you as a great community. You're a lovely community, guys, I'm telling you. Couple of hours to discover ways of controlling this. I think you guys appreciate it. This might be an interesting point here.
Order filled.
I'm testing out a long.
Order
on
filled.
both Lucid and Tap 1 futures. If we don't get the buying pressure here, looks like I got in a little bit early. Let's see. Couple of minutes to go. It's FOMC day, guys. So the risks are there. It's my pleasure, guys. Exactly. So we made it in a way for the real people that support our community, thrive for our community, and have a great time in our community, have a real chance. This is very important. And if scammers will find a way around this.
Order filled.
422 profit here. Beautiful, guys. We didn't touch the target. I want to make 500, but that's a good money. Oh. What's happening on the Lucid side? I'll have a break even there, and then the take profit is going to be...
Order filled.
Break even has been touched, but look at the markets, guys. This is already getting ugly. Like, we're jumping 3-4 points per millisecond. What's happening here, guys? Thank you. Oops. Might be an interesting level to re-enter.
Order filled.
Got back in a...
Order filled.
5 contracts on Lucid. 1 on Tap 1 futures. We might still
Order
be able to
filled.
go up. Add a little more on the top 1 futures. Adding
Order
3 more
filled.
contracts here on Lucid as well.
Order filled.
Having our beautiful target at the top. And on top 1 futures, we finally touched $500. We're going to run celebration time. We're going to run celebration time. For the top 1 futures, we touched the target on the old Ignite account. We made 500 there. Let's go, guys. Master scalping. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Boom. Oh.
Order filled.
The target has been touched. 1,800 bucks. The opening is here. Wow. Wow. Balls deep into 8 contracts on the opening. That's crazy. That's crazy. 1,800 bucks. You can't die without taking the liquidity above the golden pocket. You haven't touched the golden pocket. You can't die without taking the liquidity there. That was pretty heavy, guys. Now, you know what? Let me set up the test accounts for Lucid. The test accounts, the challenge accounts for Lucid. What's the limit here? 4 minis. 4 minis for the challenge accounts. We can pass them in a single day. Thank you, guys. Come on. Thank you. Good job. Now, it's going to be a hell of a day. Let's see if we can pass the 5 challenges here. Test, 50k test challenges. Let's see if we can pass them. On Lucid. Bitcoin, I think it's going to be heavily pumping in the upcoming weeks. Wow, look at the move here, guys. This actually wants to go higher. But I'm afraid, honestly, I'm afraid longing it here. And probably a lot of the people expect the market to heavily dump at the opening. FOMC opening, a lot of the people expect for the dumping, which is why we actually went 30 points to the upside. I still want to trade my Savius too. So we traded our 2 Ignite accounts to the nice profit. The old Ignite, we have a lot made here. Beautiful. Target touched here. Target touched on all instant funding LucidX. Lucid Direct 150k. We made 1,800 on all the 5. And now I'd like to see if I can make some money on the challenges for the Lucid. Like, we got ourselves 5 challenges. Let's see if we can do something. And let me open up my Quant Tower. Get our Savius ready. That's another important place. $112 people have joined for the giveaway. That's the real number. Good job. Traded 24 accounts, about 100 profit on each account. That's a good one. That's a good one. Congratulations. Congratulations on that. I'm testing out a short
Order
here, guys, on
filled.
my... What's the daily loss limit? It's 1,200, right? Okay. Testing out a short here. If this gets rejected, we're gonna have a good time. These are challenges accounts. 1,200 daily loss and 2,000 max loss. So. Adding 2
Order
more
rejected.
contracts. I cannot add 2 more. I'm fine with 3. Yeah, because it's 4. 4 minis is the most.
Order
Adding 1 more
filled.
then. Come on. Bring it down here. Putting the stop loss on break even, guys. 1,400 from the first trade on the challenge would be amazing, right? Even here at $600-800, if I would close here, I think I should still be happy about, but I'm risking a little more. They're challenge accounts, challenge test account, right? Don't you dare. Don't you dare not to attack that. Take profit. Come on. Nvidia to the moon. I've seen that. Give me another red candle. Beautiful closing out here. Beautiful closing, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. There's a pullback, but I'm looking forward. I don't think I can trust this anymore. I'm going to put a trailing there, guys. I'm going to put a trailing there. Even lower a little bit. $300.
Order filled.
You know, we've made 300 on these challenges. Come on. It's not bad. Let me move to my Quantile right now. Time to trade a Savius accounts. Let me see. Oh, look at that sell-off. Looks like I have to reload my Savius. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's do it. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Thank you so much, guys, for participating. This is a great experience we're having together. Nvidia is wild. Oh my god. I think it's gonna come down a little bit. Wow, look at it. Look at a Russell 2000s. Taking down my crypto world. What a silly Russells. And then our target would have been touched here. It's hard to trade this, guys. My Savius accounts do not load up. 116 people have joined. You have to wait about 5 minutes. Hello guys, welcome everyone. Good job. WeWap reacted 254. Daily volume with average price delivering. Why is this thing not loading up, guys, on Savius? Oh, finally, we got it. Let me move on Savius. Finally, we got this one load up. This is our account we got paid. It's second cycle, third day. The first 2 days, we made max profit, 1,500 on each. Hurry up, guys. The giveaway might start soon. And this is going to be the exercise every single day with the giveaway. Testing out a little long here, 2 contracts. 2 more. Thank you guys for joining. We have $125,000 in 3 giveaways today. Hello guys, welcome. Make sure to like the video, everyone. 165 people on the viewers. Can we bring this one all the way to 280s once again? Looks like an interesting spot here. Once I'm moving break even. Stop loss on break even. We're risk free. Come on, guys. Keep going. Keep pumping. Bring it up. We're going to hit our target soon. And we're going to have another master. I wanted to say we're going to have another master class entry. But these are silly markets. If that would have been on a normal day. Nah, what the... We just got stopped out there, no masterclass, break even, $66 or $24. No, 66 daily net P&L, and it's gonna get to my target, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Come on. I don't want to re-long this, but I think it's gonna get to my target on the 80s. What have you done to me, don't you? Nah, it was a very good day today. Good morning, everyone. Best of luck. Have a good time. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. 122 have joined. Now, I'm not going to freak out. I'll try to keep myself... We had a very good day today. All the 5 Lucid direct accounts, the 150k ones, got to the max profit of 1,800. Our Ignite accounts on Tap on Futures got to the target needed. So I'm kind of filled up with the targets. Could be another spot here for an entry. So I just got into 2 contracts. You know, I'm waiting for the markets to get above 83. Thank you. I also respect my entire community. Thank you. Stop loss and break even. We're gonna sit on 2 contracts. I don't want to DCA that high. Break even has been touched. You see how hard it is to go here on the right break evens. Yeah. We got to touch that. But today, the break even is way more important than in any situation. And I'm telling you something which is obviously not a secret, but today you should actually decrease your sizing by at least 50% because it's going to be a wild day. And the technicals will not function like you guys think. We're just going to go back and forth after the liquidity. So today, you see, this is no technical analysis price action here. This is something else. I'm taking another shot here. It's a little higher than the previous, but if it goes lower, I'm going to DCA. Still think we have a chance of going higher from here. Let's see. Adding 2 more. Putting the break even, guys. Our target is on 92 at this time. 4 minis, break even, 92 on the target. No, it's not a good indicator RSI to use today. Looks like it didn't work. We only have $100 collected from break evens. So let me share with you why do I have to always go break even today. Because of this. So we have a such price action. You buy here, market looks nice for a pump. It does this, and then comes back here. It goes back like that. Throws you around. You don't go break even today quickly. The noise moves will be deep. So you either go like extremely small contracts, which is something I don't like. Like if there's something I hate is to trade on small contracts. And for me it's the same like for some people that cannot trade on high contracts. For me it's the same thing. I don't know how to trade in the micros. I don't know how to trade with 1 mini. My strategy is not working like that. And I don't need to adapt if I make money this way. Our targets would have been touched, guys, but you, like I said, today you gotta be careful with a break even. RSI indicator is good if you're doing the 1 week chart, the daily chart, and you're putting in conjunction with other things as well. 4 minis only, yeah. That's still 4, I mean... And, you know, the Lucid test that I'm trading is basically not the base of my trading, right? We trade, the base thing is pretty much the instant funding accounts. Thank you, buddy. Appreciated. Appreciated. Certainly appreciated. You see that wick? I mean... that whole sell-off. We're getting ready soon for the giveaway. We're getting ready, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, do those things. Once again, I'm gonna paste the link here. And from today... I think my preference is gonna come from the chart I see. So I don't have a predetermined preference. And I think you guys should also avoid that. That's pretty dangerous. So sometimes adding to strength based on the chart, based on what I see, it's always like that. And in weakness, obviously, is way more dangerous. It's way more dangerous. You know when do I add in weakness and when it's possible of doing it? And it makes sense doing it? When you add to your position
And you're still looking forward allocating just slightly more till your stop loss. So you still have a little room there. You have a clear stop loss. You're not adding in a weakness and have no idea where is your loss. But you're still willing to sit it away, average into, and you still believe, well, I'm giving this whole thing a last chance here at a still affordable level for my stop loss. Right? So if that's the context, you can add in a weakness. If that's not the context, you should not add into your weakness. Because that is the number one killer. And then into strength, I do a lot of DCA and strength for swing trading. If I hold my position for 6 months in crypto, which is something I do a lot, I DCA on strength. If I follow a specific trend, like we're in a bull market for 1 year, 2 years, or something like that, I'm doing DCA on strength. But then when I expect the bull market to be over, I actually start DCAing out in strength. So my philosophy around swing trading is like this. Average out in strength, average in on weakness. Today is the best day for the prop firms. They make the most money, and this money is going to be earned in the next 7 days with all the purchases from the account that got blown today. So, hey, listen up, community. This is not about me making money here in the commissions. Listen up, listen to me. Avoid trading today if you don't want to lose. Avoid trading today. You're right here to increase your chances. You're not here to finance me. No. Oh, look at that spike. I think we might get a little more after that spike. 6 contracts long here. I think there is a little more liquidity upside. Come on. Do we die from here? That would be pretty much terrible. If that happens, this price actually is so terrible if that happens. Like this situation all day long would have been a continuation. But today, two green candles in a row. Come on. I sold 2 contracts. This is not looking good. 2 more. Actually sold 2 more. Because the previous candle closed in the way I did not expect it. Putting the break even there. You know, let me just get out of this, guys. 128 bucks profit. That's it. Let me just get out of. Nah. That's it for Savius today, guys. 128 profit. That's it. Let's see if we can do some more stuff around the test account and challenge in the Lucid. Good job. 100 bucks per day Ethereum in 2033. When Ethereum is gonna be 25 grand. You're gonna have a good time. Hello, good day everyone. Couple of more minutes to go, guys, to sign up for the giveaway. Finito. How do you say in other languages? Over. Game over. In Great Britain, you say game over. How else do you say? How do you say in Spanish? Game over. We're just touching levels back and forth here, but look at that, wicks. Oh, Nvidia. Nvidia. Oh, look at the Russell's 2000. Certainly not tradable. Terminar. Finito. Italians.
So let's see how many users have joined on the giveaway. The real users. Don't tell the bots what we're doing, guys. And when they find the solution to this, I promise you to come up with something else. Mamma mia, I'll come up with something else, guys. Right? You got to do this with your hands. Okay. We're slowly preparing. They are getting angry, but I'm promising them, guys, if they find something around this, listen up, bots. If they find something around this, we have other solutions. Good. You know, our test here probably ends at $300 today. Not an issue. You see, I'm not that guy going full port on this challenge accounts, trading totally tilted. No. It's still $300. 1 minute, guys, and we are starting. Last time, last reminder, listen up. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it, like the video, be subscribed, and let's get those numbers rolling. Limit short 358. Oh. Our daily volume weighted average price delivered today. I was checking today on indicator, I found something. Not ready to trade around it, but look at this, guys. Once it starts confirming, you actually get some nice level of entries, right? I'll talk about it in the next streams. I've seen this pattern appearing multiple times, so I think I'm gonna have this one on the dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. Let me just show you about a script. Open up a link here by Zeyerman, a very interesting one. Dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price is a price volume tool that ensures volume weighted average price at fresh swing highs and lows, and then adapts its responsiveness as conditions change, instead of one static volume weighted average price that drifts away over time. This indicator re-anchors at meaningful structure points. It computes a decade volume weighted average that can be speed up in volatile markets and slow down during quiet periods. We're going to test it a little more and see if we can grab something out of it. Let me share with you the link, guys. Here's the indicator. We're gonna have an announcement on a new partnership with a crypto prop firm. I guess you know which one we're talking about. It's the best prop firm when it comes down to the cryptos. It's a crypto dedicated prop firm backed up by a huge exchange. Huge exchange. So it's kind of United States approved, the whole thing. I just have to get myself done with all the things there, and they've reached out to me, and I said, well, if our community wants an extra discount, let's do it. Nothing against that. They're extremely reliable. Okay. Very good with gold, right?
Hey, thank you, buddy. The only problem is that you're not allowed swing trading. Because if you would be allowed to do swing trading, you would make tons of money. So they keep people around day trading, and day trading is much harder. That's the downside about it. We're gonna start very, very soon. We're gonna start very, very soon. Big money made pretty much everywhere. Very excited. Very excited. 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci. And the 350s will match up with the extension number 2. We got someone saying 358. AC. I see. Yeah, hopefully, yes. Hopefully I can help you guys. I'm waiting. I can't wait. More than 2 weeks. Like, we gotta be finally onboarded on Ticktick Trader. Come on, guys. We gotta be finally onboarded. Solana is having a good time today. We might see some Solana ETF things going around. 320s. Giveaway starts soon. Alright guys, so time to put these things together. Come on. Let's get ourselves organized. Time for the giveaway. Come on. Let's get ourselves organized. You gotta wait. So first giveaway. Yeah, we are gonna do the giveaway with the wheel, with a duck race, and we want to make sure your duck race winners are going to be on the forum. If you're not on the forum, you're not gonna be rewarded. What numbers are you guessing, guys? We have not selected the numbers yet. Come on, let's wait a little bit. So,
Let's think about the numbers right now. Like the video, you know, do those things. Like the video, be subscribed. Be subscribed. And join our Discord. Like, where's my Discord link? Here you go. These are the 3 things you gotta do. Come on, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Disco. Our Disco. So. From 2 to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can start right now. Let's go, guys. Come on, start. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. This is a Top 1 Futures account. So first giveaway. Listen up, guys. First giveaway, Top 1 Futures account. $25,000. Simpro. Simpro. 25,000, Top 1 Futures. Simpro. Only 1 guess per person. Stop right there. No more guesses. Yes, yes. You choose the number. If it's correct, you enter the duck race. Shuffle. A couple of times. We're good to go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We just have an extra verification process at the end. With a duck race, you gotta be on the list with the form that has been filled. We have 138 people on the list. And that might be the number 4, guys. Or no, that's not going to be the number 4. That's going to be the number 5. Congratulations. Number 5. I got you right there. 100% sure it's going to be number 5. Or, what is it, guys? At the very limit with the number 4. Hey, congratulations for the winners. We're moving to the duck race. We're moving to the duck race. Names. And 30 winners. 30 winners for the duck race. That's totally fine. Competing for 30 seconds because we have 3 giveaways to do. Few times of shuffling. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. $25,000 instant funding account for the Top 1 Futures Simpro. Winners always reach out to me on Discord private message. 15 seconds to go. Let's find it out who's making it to the final winner stage and see exactly who's going to be amongst the winners. Because you got to be on the list. TDL Futures. TDL Futures. TDL Futures. Look at that one. But now keep in mind, it's important you're second, third rank too, because if TDL Futures is not on our list, right? Let's see the list. Do we have you on the list? We got a lot of the people here. These are all the guys that have joined, guys. And we're searching TDL Futures. We got you on the list. Good job. You're right here. Beautiful. Congratulations for the winner. The winner has been confirmed. The winner has been confirmed, guys. TDL Futures. The winner has been confirmed. Congratulations. Hey. Good job.
Nice. Time for the second giveaway. Oh, so it's Tony from Canada. From Toronto. There you go, buddy. Near Niagara. Good job. Good job, buddy. Moving to the second giveaway. Your first win, congratulations. Second giveaway. It is gonna be 50k straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader. So for those of you that have country restrictions, it's not worth to join, right? Ticktick Traders, let me just change the... I'm not going to change the numbers. No. I'm not going to change the numbers. Not going to change the numbers, but wait. Do not start yet. Wait. You got to see my message first. Wait. And by the way, you can start right now. Come on, let's go. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Only one guest per person. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Thank you so much, guys. This is a 50k Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus account. Yep. Good luck, chat. Come on. Same numbers, between 2 and 7. Only one guest per person. Keep in mind, for every day, we're going to have a unique link for the giveaways. Every day. So this way, we filter the bots. And we give back the chances to real people. Stop right there. No more guesses. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, let's shuffle this only once. And we're good to go. Wow. We have... the number 7 is 5 different times in a row. Look at that. The number 7 here is 5 different times in a row. 5 times in a row. But we didn't stop there. I think that might be the number 5 again. No, I think it's going to be the number 2 with a yellow. Congratulations for the winners. That's going to be the number 2. Congratulations for the winners. Oh. Hey. Good job. Good job. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with a number 2. Edit the list. And we've got badgered 17 winners only. Looks like the bots are no longer participating into the wheel. We don't have 60, 70 out of the blue coming like that. 17 winners only, competing for 30 seconds. Things are real right now, guys. Good job. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. 50k Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Let's go. 15 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And we have the dino. The dino just stepped in. Look at that. Congratulations for the winner. We got you, dino. Are you on the list? So I'm gonna manually write your name, because otherwise the ranking disappears. I don't want this ranking to disappear. I'm gonna manually write his name. Or maybe just scrap it from here. This is your name. We go to our list, we click the search, and we put your name there. Oh, congratulations for the winner. You are on our list as well. Hey, this whole thing is functioning, guys. I'm so happy about it. Congratulations. There you go. You're on the list, so it's confirmed. Otherwise, if he would have now had been the second ranked, the third ranked, might have been the good guy right there. Hey, beautiful. So exciting. So exciting. Yeah, the second one wins or the third one wins, exactly, if it's not on the list. Alright, so let me scrap some new numbers. Beautiful. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, don't forget about. You still have to do those things. From 0 to 7. Lucid account, 50k test Lucid. 50k test Lucid. Come on, let's go. You can start right now. We can now do alphabets because our filtering system, which is automated, is filtering numbers right now. That's how it's set up. Our software is around numbers. Very happy it works, guys. Very happy the system works. Woohoo! Woohoo! $50k Lucid test account for the third giveaway today. That's it, no more. You can stop right there. We will only shuffle this once. Good. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Last giveaway for today. Huge FOMC day. But tomorrow, we're going to have 3 giveaways as well. And tomorrow, I'll give you 3 instant funding. Even from Lucid, tomorrow, I'll give you instant funding, guys. We got that green number 5 coming up quickly. Look at that. That green number 5 might be the choice. Depends on my pedal, right? Look at that. Do I? I got it, guys. The green number 5 came in. Congratulations for the winners. Ho ho. I was pretty nervous today, guys, with this new system. I was pretty nervous today with the new system. 27 winners. Congratulations. That's going to be a hell of a fight. And you guys will compete here for a minute. You guys will compete here for a damn minute. Because this is the last one for today. I've been staying yesterday all night long to fix system and make sure we give the power back to our community and take it away from the bots. So now, no more 50, 60, just 100% chance. Let's go, guys. I'm so happy about this thing. $30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. I know you're a bot. You're a bot of making money from trading, so you are trading like a bot. You're a non-stop bot of money-making machine. 8 seconds. Oh, look at that. 77 PC7. It's speeding up. Oh. Congratulations. Hey, congratulations. Let's see if you are on the list. Let's see if you are on the list. No response has found. You're not on the list, buddy. Your username is not on the list. We can search you even this way, but there's no response. No response. You're not on the list. Uh-oh. Dang. What the? You didn't get to verify. You can't do it right now. Because then it makes no sense to do everything we did so far. Unfortunately. So let's take the next one. Trades by now. This is your best day. Your luckiest day. Where's your name here? Trades by now. We're gonna find it out if you are on the list. And there you go. Yay. Ho ho. No race again. The second rank is gonna be. You gotta do it before the race, guys. Our link, I posted the link 20 times, and this is the way it's gonna be. Trades by now, there you go. Hey, you got this. Congratulations, buddy. What a beautiful way. First time, the second place gets the account. Now, we got the things in the right way. Don't worry about it. From tomorrow, everyone is having a new chance. Because from tomorrow, you guys will have to sign up on the new link. Daily link. Daily link. Every day, every day, every day. Daily link. And this sign up is for the day. And for all the giveaways of the day. Exactly. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Look at the price section here, pretty wild. All the way up to 326 down to 260s. That's 70, 80 points down. Beautiful day, guys. Careful in the FOMC. Have a lovely day, guys. Talk to you on Discord. Winners, reach out to me. Thank you guys for helping me, for supporting me, for joining us. All these things do matter a lot. Thank you. Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere. Links, you have them. Have a lovely day. Reach out on Discord if there's anything, and we'll talk to you soon.